A very good morning to all the chairpersons. First of all, I would like to thanks to the organizing committee for selecting me for the e-poster presentation. My topic of this poster presentation is Effects of Heartfulness Meditation on Autonomic Nervous System of the First Year Medical Students. Authors of this study are Dr. Anupama Gupta, working as Assistant Professor in the GSVM Medical College Physiology Department, Dr. Jalak Saxena, HOD and Professor, Dr. Saurabh Saha, Professor, Dr. Chitra Srivastav, Associate Professor, Dr. Preeti Kanojia, Dr. Atosh Kumar, Dr. Jayavardhan Singh, Assistant Professor, Dr. J.J. Tambe, Specialist in Pediatrics in CGHS Kanpur. Now, background of my study is we are in a medical profession which is so demanding and stressful, and as we know, stress is the causative factor for many health problems. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has recommended several ways to cope with stress, like eating regularly, good sleep, hygiene, exercise, relaxation and meditation. There are various meditation techniques, but this study focuses on heartfulness meditation, a simple heart-based meditation practice aimed at attaining balanced state of mind. The whole practice comprises of a morning session focusing on relaxation and meditation, an evening rejuvenation session or cleaning that involves removing emotional impressions of the day, and a session at night for deeper connection with oneself involving a short meditation session before sleep. But in this study we conducted a morning session of heartfulness relaxation followed by meditation, and each session was conducted by a trainer of heartfulness. Aims and objectives of this study were to assess the effects of heartfulness meditation on autonomic nervous system of first year medical students. Material and methods. It is an experimental analytical study done on 243 MBBS first year students of age 18 to 25 years, irrespective of gender, at GSVM Medical College Kanpur. Informed consent was duly taken. All the subjects who were suffering from any psychiatric illness were excluded from the study. The study was conducted in a well air-conditioned room at 8 to 9 am. A heartfulness trainer conducted the meditation session. Procedure was duly explained to the students beforehand. They were asked to observe or scan their whole system on certain points like respiratory rate, pattern like fast, slow, deep, or heart condition beating fast or slow, which is a subjective feeling, and the thoughts arising in their mind, overall feeling in the body like tensed, relaxed, uneasiness, and they have to make a mental note of all these things before the meditation session and after the session is over. After the session was over, they were asked to fill a Google form which was sent on their mobile phones. Results. After the session, I got the results as in 83.11% students, respiratory rate became slow. In 69.1% of subjects, respiration became deep. In 56.4% of students lost awareness of inhalation and exhalation during meditation. 67.5% of students found that their heart was beating slower after meditation. 80% had the feeling of deep relaxation in mind and body. 56.7% felt lightness in their entire system. And 41.8% at the end of the meditation session, their mind was focused, clear, calm, with minimum thoughts arising. Few students who took up this procedure practice on regular basis with all the steps of practices like relaxation, meditation, evening cleaning, and bedtime prayer. And out of these students many reported their concentration improved in studies. Few reported their anger was calmed down. The things were less provoking and situations were less provoking for them as previous. Now, conclusion. Our study found a positive effect of heartfulness, relaxation and meditation on overall calming the systems in our body. Guided relaxation, which preceded every meditation, is likely to stimulate the parasympathetic pathways in our brain, which helps to establish a relaxed state of mind before meditation. The exact mechanism of how this heartfulness meditation works is not well understood, but it may be stimulating the parasympathetic pathways. limitations of the study. Since it is a pilot study, it need to be done on a larger population and needs more and more exploration in future. Thanks.